At number 1, we have the Inoni Era Carbon Racket. Engineered for excellence, its teardrop shape and carbon fiber construction deliver a massive sweet spot and unbeatable durability. Experience exceptional balance, control, and power, while the EVA core absorbs shocks to reduce wrist fatigue. The 4.9-star rating, it's the ultimate choice for intermediate to advanced players. Upgrade your game today.
At number 2, we have the Inoni Carbon Padel Racket, built for players seeking a lightweight yet powerful option. Its full carbon construction ensures maximum strength while keeping the racket agile. Featuring a round frame with optimized balance, it delivers precise control for both defensive and offensive shots. The EVA foam core minimizes strain and improves comfort, so you can play your best game longer. The Inoni Carbon Padel Racket. Unleash your power.
At number 3, we have the Gamma Mirage Padel Racket. It offers the perfect blend of speed, power, and control for an incredible game. Its hybrid carbon fiber and fiberglass construction ensures lightweight durability. The medium balance point allows for smooth handling while maintaining strong shot power. It's ideal for beginners and intermediates, providing an expanded sweet spot and excellent spin.
At number 4, we have the EVA Teardrop Padel Racket. Designed for power without losing control, its teardrop shape maximizes the sweet spot for more solid strikes. The soft EVA foam core reduces arm strain, so you can play longer and more comfortably. It's incredibly lightweight and durable, perfect for fast-paced matches and enhancing your spin and stability. Join countless beginners and intermediates who are already loving their game with this racket. Plus, it comes with a convenient backpack. Ready to elevate your paddle game? Get your Grand Cow racket now.
At number 5, we have the Carbon Strength Paddle Racket. Here are the top 5 reasons it's a game changer. Number 5, unleash unrivaled power. Its teardrop shape and stiff carbon fiber construction are engineered for aggressive winning smashes. Number 4, built to last. The durable carbon fiber composition ensures this racket can take a beating and keep performing at the top level. Number 3, master your spin. The textured surface gives you superior control and precision on every shot, confusing your opponents. Number 2, play longer, stronger. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue, so you can dominate those long, hard-fought matches. Number 1, complete value. You get the high-performance racket, plus a protective cover bag and wrist strap. It's all you need to evolve your game.
Number 6, we have the Sweet Spot Pro Paddle Racket. Engineered with a massive sweet spot for unrivaled control and effortless power on every single hit. Its optimal 360-gram weight offers the perfect balance of quick reactions and stable, powerful swings. Crafted with premium carbon fiber and fiberglass, it delivers maximum spin and durability for serious players. The comfortable, secure grip, the Sweet Spot Pro is ready to elevate your game. Get yours now.
At number 7, we have the ACA Magic Pro Paddle Racket. Engineered for maximum control and spin, its teardrop design provides a huge sweet spot for unbeatable accuracy. Built with high-grade carbon fiber, this racket offers incredible durability, shot after shot. The advanced corded grip ensures you maintain upper control and comfort, enhancing your agility. Ready to elevate your game? The ACA Magic Pro is your key to unlocking new levels of shot variety and performance.